Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's lecture, we're going to learn about page break. For example, imagine that until some certain part of the first page, you would like to keep it in the first page, and at some point you want to skip everything and let the page to go for the next page. To do that, we need a page break syntax. So in order to use that, we have backslash new page. Now we have methodology in the first page. This is section 3. And if I recompile with this new page, we're going to have the methodology in the next page. So I recompile. Okay. You see that everything is in the next page. And now if I have this one, copied and pasted before the experimental results. And now I'm pasting it after mathematical formulation and before experimental results. So we expect that experimental results will go to another page. So now we are having another page that is experimental design. Next page, we can also have the conclusion in another separated place, for example, here. Okay, so using next page code, we are able to simply force the LaTeX to move to the next page. And this is very useful usually when you're going to have your title and the name and affiliations of the authors. Usually some journals and conferences, they need you to have a title page. So in the first page only you have the title of the paper and names and affiliation, and not the abstract, etc. For that, after finishing the affiliations, you simply just type down the new page syntax, like here, the code, and then the introduction or abstract is going to start as of the second page. So this is basically how we can use a page break or new page in LaTeX. Thank you for watching.